gather your ingredients for this lightly battered chicken in a creamy, dairy-free sauce. Start by cutting each chicken breast in half lengthwise so each piece is about 1/2 inch thick. Then combine the 3 tablespoons of flour mix with the salt and pepper and lightly coat each piece of chicken. Whisk the remaining 2 tablespoons of flour mix into the milk and set aside. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat, add the oil, and cook your chicken in batches, about 3 minutes each side, keeping the cooked chicken warm in the preheated oven. Then in the same skillet, add the artichoke hearts, garlic, capers, and lemon juice. Add the julienned sun-dried tomatoes to taste. And then add the milk and heat over medium-high heat until it bubbles and thickens. Add the parsley, then return the chicken to the pan and plate this over pasta for a savory, satisfying meal. You might also like my chicken tetrazzini. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.